Hello, this is Socket Mobile. In this video, I'll show you how to initialize Socket Mobile's S550 NFC reader and writer. In case that the S550 does not work for some reason, it may be recovered by initializing S550. So I will introduce the procedure for this initialization. First, I open the back lid with the screwdriver. Oops. And open it. There is a small round button called action button. I'll press it, but before then I turn on the power. Then I press and hold this action button for about 8 seconds until you hear voice menu. Okay, then I press and release this action button once again. And I finally press and hold this power button until you hear the factory reset.
Please wait. Factory reset.
Okay, power is now turned off automatically, and the S550 initialization is now completed. That's it. Thank you very much for your attention.